Hey, good day. Super excited. You're welcome to this episode of Financial Trading Culture Series. And I'm really excited. How are you doing? If it's your first time visiting, make sure you click on the notification bell and subscriber button so you would not miss out in the next episode and every other amazing videos that we have for you in Mayowa Owolabi TV YouTube channel. Okay, guys. And in this video, the goal is to educate you on what you should do when your strategy is not working. Now, number one, you must understand that when your strategy is not working, you need to identify what is wrong. And there are two things that can be wrong. It could be that you are not patient enough with the strategy, or the strategy is not a strategy. Okay? If you're not patient enough, could mean that you have not back tested enough. If you have not patient enough, it means that you've not understood the strategy yet. You see, one of the things that a lot of traders do that is common outside there, which I've been there before when I first started, is to jump from one strategy to another strategy. From one strategy to another strategy. And what I've discovered that has been the main challenge is that I was never patient to perfect this journey. So let's say, for example, when I was introduced to the strategy, I was using I was to use 4 hours as entry chart. But because I needed quick money, I was trading this same strategy on 15 minutes. It can't be the same result. And if it can't be the same result, it means over time, I will change my approach. Another thing that a lot of people don't do is that they do not journal their trading. If you journal your trading, you will know what you're doing wrong and what you're doing right. So I really want to tell you something very important today. Number one, you want to give yourself an average of 3 months to 1 year on any strategy you want to stick to. See, take strategy as something that will stay with you forever. And if you want something to stay with you forever, which means it's going to become your habit of trading, it means that you need to create time. You need to create time to be able to do well at it. So you need to be slow and steady at it. Keep your record while you are walking through this process. Don't because you lost one single trade, then you decide that the strategy is not working. For you to call it a strategy, it means that it has the potential to win. I also discover that a lot of people have not personalized the strategy. Now you need to personalize that strategy, guys. You need to add up your own experience to it. You bought a strategy, you paid for a course, you are paying for someone's experience and the person's tolerance and exposure to manifest with that strategy. You need to go through the same thing, the same approach, the same slowness to picking of trades when the conditions are not met. But guys, you need to take it calm. Let's say, for example, you are a moving average trader and you are not getting it right. That does not mean that moving average doesn't work. It only means that every time you were right, you've not documented it to stick to that only way when you're right. I have a friend, not a friend, somebody who is more experienced than me, and I'll share with some of my people, some of my students, I'll share with them that since I've known this man for more than eight years right now, the only thing he trades on the chart is pin bars. Pin bars. It doesn't make the kind of return on investment that I want to make or an average person wants to make. But For the past 8 good years, he only trades pin bar, pin bar, pin bar sell, and that's what he has been trading since. He will keep trading it. Why? He has practiced it. As a matter of fact, in one of his profile, I got to know that he has won several global competitions using pin bar trading. And he has learned pin bar, he has lost money with pin bar, and right now he has mastered the art of trading pin bar. If you give him support and resistance, if you give him supply and demand, if you give him ITC, if you give him Bollinger trading, if you give him Ichimoku trading, if you give him hundreds of any of this strategy, he will not use it. Why? Because he has mastered trading of pin bars, and that is what he trades. And he has been trading that for as long as about 7-8 years right now. And even if I visit his website right now, what he still talks about is pin bar. So the question is, what do you want to stick with? What exactly do you want to stick with? If you answer that question, then no matter what you are facing in that strategy, you need to find a way to identify what is not working. Once you choose to settle down with it, guys, it's not going to be always green. It's not going to be smooth as you see the result on YouTube. But guys, you need to just get your hands dirty and get it sorted. My name remains Mayowa, guys. All you need to do is to stick to this channel because we're going to be giving you a lot of information that will help you more. Okay, guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel because there will be more information we'll be giving to you. So get back to the drawing board. What am I doing wrong? What is my journal? Journal that trade, journal your trade for the next 3 months. Identify the wins and stick to what makes you to enter the wins, and you're good to go. Thank you so much for your time. I look forward to your success. Till I see you next time, make sure you keep trading, keep investing in knowledge, and keep making money. I'll talk to you soon. Cheers.